In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an email as spam and probably unsubscribe from the sender. Okay, so let's say I'm on my Yahoo mail over here, and then I want to unsubscribe from an email. So let's say I have this email by Wise, this one, and I just open it. Once I open, I can just go ahead and come straight down to the bottom of the email, and you'll be able to see this unsubscribe icon over here. So I can just click the link, and this is going to unsubscribe for me. Just follow, and I can just say I don't want to receive any email from any of this. So allow notifications, no. So it closes everything. Okay, so right now I've been unsubscribed from all of their emails. And then if I want to block this, write it as a spam, I can just click on these three dots down here, and you can see I can say mark as spam, and this is not going to allow any of this email to be able to reach my inbox anymore from now on. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.